Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the hardware and software. Make sure the keyboard is in pairing or wireless mode and has power. Next, open network settings entirely with the keyboard. On Windows, press Win+I, then tab to search and type network. On Mac OS, press Command+space, type network, then enter. You do this because using only the keyboard relies on predictable focus movement, so enable Bluetooth or Wi-Fi radios now, and confirm you know the SSID and password before proceeding. Once settings are open, navigate using tab and arrow keys to reach the Wi-Fi list. Press space or enter to expand it. You can use type ahead by typing the SSID name so the focus jumps to the correct network. This speeds selection when lists are long. After selecting the network, press tab until the password field is highlighted, then type the password accurately and press enter to submit. You do this because keyboard navigation requires precise focus control. Practice a few keystroke sequences if necessary. After submitting credentials, confirm connection status using the keyboard. Tab to the status area or press the network key sequence to view connection details. If it fails, toggle Wi-Fi off and on using keyboard shortcuts or the settings toggle, then retype the password and press enter. You should also restart the network adapter or the computer if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: verify SSID spelling and proximity to the router before deeper fixes. Many failures are simple range or typo issues, so try those first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.